No, not daddy. My goodness. What's this leaf she got here? Y'all all right? Y'all 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Huh? 16. You have enough ice cream? Uh-oh. What's going on, family? We're out here, man. We're still in the Philippines, and I am about to walk to my hotel. But I said, let me turn my camera on because I just remembered that I told like these little kids down here playing basketball that I would buy them all ice cream. I just peeked down there, y'all. There's a lot of kids.
I made a promise, and out here, people remember when you keep them.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Morning. Hello. Is your mom in there? The store is closed? No. Okay. How you doing, sir? What's up, man? You all right? You all right? Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Daddy.
No, not daddy.
Every evening I walk past this community, kids out here just being kids. No screens, no structured plans, just the street and each other. I told the mother at the store I'd come back and buy everyone ice cream.
What's up? Give me a high five. Oh, about, What's up, man? Y'all all right? Y'all all right?
How are you?
The store open, right? You remember, how many is y'all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 of them, Ma. 16. You have enough ice cream?
Make this only 5 pesos each.
How much? 5 pesos?
Yeah.
All right, let's do that. Let's give them. Yeah, 16. We'll make. Y'all come in line. Form a line. You gotta talk to him. Huh? You gotta talk to him in Tagalog. Mom, can you change 1,000? Can you change 1,000? Okay.
Ay, dun kayo sa labas. Pila daw kayo, pila.
Yo, it's hot out here, y'all, and the kids need ice cream today. I told them I would come. I told Mama right here I get my water from her. I told her I would come back tomorrow, and I made a promise, so I had to be here to do this. And she getting the ice cream out, y'all. Oh, those are nice. You got ice water in there too?
16 pieces?
Yeah, I think if it's more, then we'll give it to him.
16, I put 20, 16, 18, 20.
20 is fine, yeah. That's
I
cool.
put 20.
That's cool, that's fine.
We deduct
Whatever.
Oh, pila.
Whatever.
Pila nyo.
Uh-oh.
Ito yung pila. Sa likod na kayo. Lahat naman kayo mabibigyan. Sa
She
likod.
organizing it, y'all.
Sa likod.
That's the thing I've been missing.
Sa likod.
Where's the Billy goat?
Likod.
See, there's a few more coming in line. You gotta get in the back. You gotta get in the back.
Yeah. You know likod, ha? Ah.
He tried to dish.
Green.
So y'all be good, okay? Are you good kids?
Yeah.
That's good. That's what's up. And you too tall. He ducked down. When I said he was too tall, he ducked down. There's enough for y'all. Well, look, man, the kids are about to go play. I'm gonna buy some water from Mom and take it upstairs. And then I'll see y'all wherever this video lands. Look at, oh, wait up. We just can't end it like that. See, she got all types of like snacks in here, food, snacks, ice cream, water, crackers. I wonder if she got milk. I don't think she has milk in there.
Here.
You have milk? We need more?
No more.
Okay.
20.
Okay, everyone's finished.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get a big water. I should get 2. Let me see. Give me 2, Mom, because I'll be running out. 2 waters, yeah.
Okay.
What is this? Mango? Come on, Nosy.
Yeah, mango.
Mangoes.
From Zambales. 5 times 20.
All right, y'all, we about to go.
Oh, what to do to the yellow?
Yellow. That's how you say yellow ice in Spanish, too. Yellow. Is it good?
Yes, sir.
That's good, man. Let me see you make a shot now.
Sir.
No, you're welcome.
Sir.
You're welcome. Let me see y'all make a shot. No, you gotta shoot, man. You gotta make a shot. No, you. Go ahead. Let me see. Hold up, I gotta get you from this angle. Oh, 2 points. 2 points. That's the wild man right there, y'all. All right, I'm gonna see y'all later. You okay?
Yeah.
All right.
What's name your YouTube?
Matt, M-A-T-T-D-V.
Sir.
Matt D-V.
Sir.
Uh-oh, he's spinning it. He's spinning it, y'all. He's spinning it. What? You got skills? Let me find out. I'll see you guys later, all right? Y'all enjoy. Goodbye. Huh? Oh, high five?
Bye-bye.
My man. My man. My man, take it easy. Bye-bye. Assalamu alaikum. All right, y'all, we out. About to go up to the room. All right, y'all, I always point to that main road. That's why I live down that way. Turn that way for where I just bought all that ice cream at. But we're about to go to the main road. I don't know what the name of this road is, but we can definitely pitch it up on the screen. Here, got the trike. What's up, man? Got the trike up. Is this a pizza spot? Dimple. It's Dimple's Bar. I thought that was a pizza spot. I started to say. Jolly Bees is over there. Right there. We definitely gonna have to check out Jolly Bees. We going into the sun right now, y'all. That sun is intense. Straight ahead, y'all, down to the right. Maybe about another 3 short blocks is Red Street. It's kind of getting late. We will not be going down there this time of day. Sun going down quick, with the quickness. It's a busy intersection right here, y'all, by Jolly Bees. This way. About to shut the camera down, y'all, and see what I can go, what kind of snack I can get before I go back home, do a little bit more editing. I'll see you guys wherever we wind up next. Yo, we got this salad right here. Let's check it out. It's a grilled chicken Caesar salad. They brought the pepper out. Let's go into it, man. It looks really good. This is not a full review. Looks good, smell good. Hold on, let me just taste a piece of chicken. That's some good flavor. There's even croutons here, y'all. See the croutons right there? Croutons. We're gonna dip the crouton right here in the dressing. Look like they sprinkle some cheese on there too. They sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on it. I'm having fun with this. I know a salad is just a universal thing, worldwide. Everybody have their salads. Here's a trivia. Where did Caesar salad start? In Rome? That's a good question. I would love to have some onions on here. Right here, the Caesar salad, she said, takes at least 20 to 25 minutes to make. And I would say that is because of the grilled chicken. There's a man behind me saying he bought this girl, but that's a lady boy. I'm gonna sit here and eat the rest of my food. That's it right there once again. Very light, very easy. I'm here signing off at Tequila Reef, man. I got my New York friends back there from New York. New York in the house. Everybody else is sitting here chilling with us. Everybody out front chilling with us. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. The storm is coming. I want some rain. I hope it rains, y'all. We got people riding by. We got motorcycles riding by. This is my favorite eatery. So, if it starts raining, we're gonna be filming again. But if not, I'll see y'all at the next one. I want some rain. I hope it rains for at least 20 minutes, like really hard. All right, y'all, it's raining a little bit, but it ain't raining a lot. Hold on, let me button up. I ain't trying to show no chest and all that, show how much I've been working out and stuff, you know? You got the Natalia Hotel right there, cloudy. Got the dark clouds up above us. I'm having a ball, y'all, out here. I feel like I'm in the wild west. It feel like I'm in the wild west. Look at the trikes. I'm gonna ride one of those a long distance soon. All y'all gotta do is dare me. Just somebody put in the comments, I double dare you, and most likely I'll be on the trike later. All right? It's raining a little bit. I want more. Bring us, look, y'all, I'm standing under the wires. Uh-oh, we got some squeaking trikes. The trikes are squeaking. Now it's coming down, y'all. The rain is coming down. It's time for me to get out here. Let's get out here in this, how you doing? Get out here in this rain, y'all. Look, as soon as I come out here, it stops raining. Y'all know I love the rain. I'm gonna just do it just like this. Oh, it's coming. Oh, I almost got well, the camera don't matter if it gets wet. I'm getting wet though. Yo, look at the big Escalade out this joint.